Thank you for staying with Republic. And well, after Haryana, Rajasthan, Gujarat and Manipur, the centre has deputed high-level central teams to Uttar Pradesh, Punjab and Himachal Pradesh in view of the spike in COVID-19 cases in these states. The development comes in the backdrop of several states witnessing a spike in infections amid the festive season, even as the country reported less than 50,000 fresh daily cases for the 15th consecutive day, taking its tally to 90.95 lakh.
We talk about the measures that has been taken by the Delhi government, the sweeping measures that has been taken by the Delhi government, whether it is for the markets or it is increase in the bed facility. We have 17,292 beds all alone in Delhi, out of which 7,700 beds are vacant. So if we talk about the bed facility, Delhi government has taken the measure to even increase the bed facility in the national capital as well as the ICU facility. 250 ICU beds have been handed over to the DRDO. But if we talk about the market area, people are not really following non-compliance of COVID behavior can be seen in the market, whether it is Khari Bauli or whether it is the Sarojini market, which are one of the busiest market. We did a reality check in the Sarojini market, though a lot of strict steps have been taken. An order that has been issued by the Delhi government to the Sarojini Nagar officer and the NDMC Enforcement Directorate, where these people are carrying out together, both the Delhi police and the NDMC are carrying out the measures to control the crowd in the market. But it seems that people are not really complying the COVID-19 measures, though a lot of fine that has been imposed from 500 to 2,000 in the national capital. So whosoever is not wearing the mask or not following the COVID-19 quarantine rule will be fined of rupees 2,000. So a lot of steps that has been taken by the Delhi government.
The pandemic is still going on. The number of COVID cases in the national capital are rising on an everyday basis. But the citizens of the national capital seem to be forgetting it very conveniently. We have done the reality checks in several of the trend-setting markets of the national capital, such as Sarojini Nagar, Sadar Bazaar. But right now, we are here in the biggest wholesale vegetable and fruit market of Delhi, Okhla Mandi, which is in the southern part of the national capital. And here, people have completely forgotten that there is still a pandemic which is going on globally. As we can see, the cleanliness of the market has gone for a toss, not being maintained clearly. People are not wearing their masks very seriously. Most of the masks are, below their noses. In a fashion, they're wearing their masks in a fashion that is absolutely not effective and would not protect them. They're in fact also not maintaining social distancing, which becomes crucial in markets like these, when you have to constantly keep touching the vegetables, when you constantly come in contact with the vegetables and fruits that you're buying. The customers also are wearing their masks seriously but are not wearing their gloves, which is again the entire situation in the fruit market and the vegetable market looks very worrisome, and this could turn into a hotspot, which is why Kejriwal government has increased the fine levied on breaking the health protocol from 500 to 2,000, because it has become a need of the hour. People are not taking the health protocol seriously. They have constantly forgotten this particular thing, that the pandemic is still going on. Delhi is witnessing more than 6,000 cases almost every day. The situation is getting grave. The emergence of hotspots have become a new reality all over again. And this is again the history repeating itself. We can see the hazardous setup, the hazardous arrangement in which the entire thing is going on. The vehicles are being allowed here. However, the Delhi police have kept various checkpoints inside and outside, and they are very cautious about who to let go inside the market. But only this much they can do. They are not coming inside to check and to keep this situation in control and to monitor the entire thing.